Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I install this Instabun. It has been trending for quite some time and I just want to put out my own version of how I like to install it. So I'd just like to apologize. I forgot to hit the record button when I started to install this braid and I only realized it a few minutes later. But what I did was I just put on some cling wrap on my mannequin head, put on the wig cap, and I began to install the braided hair to my wig cap, and I've just left out the band of the wig cap so that it retains its elasticity and I can stretch it anyhow I want. Now I've noticed that online some people will glue the braided hair all the way to the center of their bun, but for me I would prefer to be able to pack up my bun in a high bun or a low bun, so that is why I'm only going about half an inch to an inch of glue to secure the braid to the wig cap. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button as well as the bell notification icon so that you always get notified anytime I upload a new video. So right here I'm done installing the wig. It took about 20 minutes, and that was because I was filming, so it will probably take you less. So I'm just going ahead right now to pack up the hair, and I'm going to go in sections just to make sure that each braid is laid and there's no space between any of the braids. So I'm just going around packing the braid, and I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. I forgot to mention that I braided this hair from Expressions. I used 2 colors and I used half a pack of each color to braid the hair, and I had some leftovers. I'm just going to be pulling on the ends of each braid to make sure that they lie flat and stay in place. So this is what the wig is looking like right now. I'm just going to go ahead with this scarf to make a knot, and I choose not to glue the scarf to my wig because I like to change up my scarf from time to time. Okay, so this is me trying on the wig. I have on a skull cap, and I'm just going to go ahead and put on the wig and tie on my scarf so you have a feel of how the wig looks. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. I would really appreciate your feedback in the comment section. I try my best to respond to every single person, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye, guys.